First prize of $300,000, what would you do with that money?
First, me that thank you. Making me all right. I'm going to carry it to him. I'm going to give it to mommy.
You give it to mommy?
Yeah.
Alright, so every Jamaican, every person worldwide, Chubby would carry it home and give it to her mother, right? And your mother is presently living at home with you, and she's not doing so well with health, right?
Right.
So Chubby is in need of your vote, and she has a heart of gold because she wants to know that her mother's health is better than hanging on to that $300,000 for wealth, alright? So ensure you support Chubby Shanty. Where you say, love me.
And love me and not hate. I am a true princess, I'm no fake. Trying to shove me through the gates. But I'm yelling for my home, says Zion is a place. Yes, love me and not hate.
Chubby Shanty, buy our votes. Support her as she leaves the stage. The votes are also raffle tickets, alright? So when you purchase a vote for $100 or $200, you have the possibility of winning a 32-inch flat screen television at the Grand Show.